નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 9, Subject Science, Chapter 10, Gravitation. Dear students, now we will discuss text exercise, some of the numerical questions. See here, question number 3. What is the magnitude of the gravitational force between the Earth and a kg of object on its surface? See what again I will read the question. See what is the magnitude of the gravitational force between the Earth and a kg of the object on its surface? See, mass of the Earth is given 6 multiplied by 10 raised to 24 kg, and radius of the Earth is given 6.4, 10 multiplied by 6 meter. Then now we will see like this. We look at questions how we have solved. You know that, see, this is the Earth, and here 1 kg object, 1 kg object is kept. And next one, the gravitational force is here, is the gravitational force. Okay? And due to the gravitational, see, between the Earth and the kg object, and the gravitational force acting on this. And this one is developing, this is the radius. Okay? Now I will say that what you have to find. See, first of all, you know that what is the force you have to find. Force, the formula you are looking at. Force and gravitational force is equal to. So you have to find the force. What is the force applied here? So force is equal to G M1 M multiplied by M2 upon D square. So this is the formula you are doing. So this formula you learned also. Now here we are finding what for the Earth we are finding. So for Earth, the formula what you can write for Earth. So you have to apply the formulas. The same thing. F is equal to a G is you have to write constant and small m, because mass of the element is small m, and here mass of the Earth, here Earth will be so capital M upon R square upon radius. So this is the radius. So R square. Okay. Now you know that some of the hints we might say mass is given 1 kg. So we write like this. Mass is given, mass of the object is 1 kg is given. Then what is given next? Radius, yes, mass of the Earth is given, mass of the Earth. See, look here, mass of the Earth is 6 multiplied by 24, 6 multiplied 10 raised to 24 kg. 6 multiplied by 10 raised to 24 kg. Okay, this is given. And then the radius also given. Radius is how much given? So radius of the Earth is 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 meter. Okay. Then you also know that gravitation, this G value also we are doing 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to negative 11. See 10 raised to, see 10.66 will be there. Sorry, 6.66. Then you have done round up 6.67. 10 raised to negative 11. Nm square, Newton meter square, kg minus 2. So this formula you are doing that. So now only you have to put this value on this. Okay. So now you say force is equal to that. Force is equal to G you have to write 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to negative 11. Correct? Then what you have to write? Then M value you have to write. So M is equal to you have written 1. Then next what you have to write? You have to write the capital M, the mass of the 6 multiplied by 24. 6 multiplied by 10 raised to 24. 10 raised to 24. Then what we have to write? and upon will be upon the R square. See, R square means 6 here, 6.4. Okay. Multiplied by 10 power 6 the square. So this in this way out, right? So then later solve one by one like this. So then you can make like this 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to negative 11 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to 24 upon 6.4 multiplied by here square is like 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to 6. Okay, 10 raised to 6. And again, you can write here 10 raised to 6. So it will be 2 times 6. Otherwise, directly you can write here square is given. So you can write 10 raised to 12. So directly you can write 10 raised to 12. Okay. Now reduce this. This you have how to reduce. So you have to reduce 6. First of all, you make arrange like this 6.67 multiplied by 6. Again 10 raised to negative 11 multiplied by 10 raised to 24. And here also 6.4 multiplied by 6.4 multiplied by 6, 10 raised to 12. Now, next one is, so you have to reduce this. So you have to, how you have to simplify this, you see. You have to simplify like this. And here right now, see some of the things I will go through this here. So now you can make the round number of this. 667. See then you can write 667 multiplied by 6. Okay. Then upon 64 into 64. So you know that 6.67 you have done. So here 100 upon 100. Why? Because you have made the round number here 64. Correct? Now you 10 power you can make on one side. 10 power you have to write on one side. So that will be, see here, 10. If you are bringing the 10 power up, see look here now. How you have to make this? You will see. Say look this. 10 raised to negative 11 and 10 raised to this. So negative 11 minus 12 and into 10 raised to 24. And here again 667 multiplied by 6, 110. And above 64 into 64. And here, and okay, 10 raised to 24. So 10 minus 23 multiplied by 10 raised to 24. Okay, now this one again 667 multiplied by 6, 64 into 64, and here, so 10 plus 24 minus 23, only 1. So after the simplification of this, you will get, so what actually, go through this simplified, and you will get 9.8 Newton unit. See, force is, the unit is Newton, so this is 9.8 N. So 9.8 Newton you will get. Okay, dear students, see step by step, go through this and solve this one. Now, next this question. See, what is the second question you see? Gravitational force on the surface of the moon is only 1 by 6 as strong as the gravitational force on the earth. See this one, gravitational force on the surface of the moon is only 1 by 6 strong as gravitational force of the earth. So you know that weight of the earth and the weight of the moon. So 1 by 6 will be there. So what is the weight in the newtons of a 10 kg object on the moon and on the earth? So you know that mass of the object is given here. See, right here like this. Mass of the object is how much? 10 kg. Okay, mass of the object is given. Then what you have to find? This one, weight of the earth. So this one. So you have to find what is the weight in the newtons. Weight of the object on the earth. So W is equal to m into g, gravitational acceleration. So mg means you will write m means how much? 10 into 9.8. So 10 into 98 upon 10. So you got it 98 Newton. Okay, this one you got it. Now next one, weight of the moon you have to write. So weight of the moon is equal to, so you know that 1 by 6. So you can write like this, weight of the earth divided by 6. See, weight of the earth divided by 6. So we write that 98 upon 6. So is equal to, what is the answer you will get? Is equal to, go divided and you will get 16.3 Newton. Because it's force you have to. So this is why it would be force, the unit is Newton. So in this way, you have to see what is the question says. Gravitational force of the surface of the moon is only 1 by 6 strong as the gravitational force on the earth. So you know that whatever the object being on the earth is 1/6 of in the, that will measure 1/6 of the moon. For example, if you the weight here 6 kg, any object weight is on the earth 6 kg. So then moon it will be 1 by 6 kg. So 1 by 6 you have to write. So that will be 1 by 1 kg. So 1 by 6 you have to, or divided by 6 and so on. So the formula you have to learn, here say mass of the object is, but you know that this is the object of the mass. And Newton you have to find. So Newton means here the weight of the earth, object of the earth. So mg, what you have to write? The formula you have to use, mg, the acceleration of the gravitational force. So that 10 multiplied by 9.8, and you can make the row number 98. So 98 Newton volt. And then here the next question is asked, what is the weight in the newtons of 10 kg object on the moon and as well as on the earth? So on the earth we have to know that, and on the moon we have to know. On the moon means weight of the moon is equal to weight of the earth divided by 6. Okay, then 98 upon 6 you do, then go for the division. So when you will simplify when you are dividing this, you will get this answer of 16.3 you will get. So when you will go for division, and you will get the decimal division, this one is. So you will get the answer of 16.3 Newton. Why? Because the unit of force is Newton. Okay, dear students, go through these two examples, and previous video, some of the examples are also we have solved. Okay, do it. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you for joining us.